Welcome back to a series so cheating, even Chick Hicks subscribed. In today's video mga kaunggoy, the ultimate rank 1 cheater sa Pilipinas, Lian de Guzman is back, and she's back with a vengeance mga kaunggoy. As you can see, she has chosen the path of social media creation mga kaunggoy. So, content creator na po si Lian de Guzman, the ultimate cheating lord, the ultimate cheating, like a rank 1 cheater mga kaunggoy. So, naalala ko yung sinabi ko sa video ko na, I think the best way to go at this is ipagpatuloy na lang niya yung content creation. Maging content creator na lang siya mga kaunggoy, no? Makaka-better yun sa kanya. Like, if I were in her place and sagana ako sa pangbabash, sagana ako sa alam niyo yun, like, sagana ako sa maraming eyes on me, like a lot of people are stalking me, a lot of people are, all eyes are on me, no? Imo-monetize ko na lang, no? Imo-monetize ko ang sarili kong issue, no? If ever man I were in her situation, mga kaunggoy. Alright? So, I think what she did is a very smart move. I think it's a great idea, right? And I think this could be a lesson to each and every one of us. Pag nasangkot tayo sa isang issue, lalo na pag sobrang trending at lalo na alam ng karamihan at alam ng lahat ng tao sa buong Pilipinas or sa buong mundo, I think this is a great way to go at it, no? I-monetize natin yung sarili nating issue, mga kaunggoy. Maraming nang babash sa atin, i-monetize natin yan, mga kaunggoy. Maging content creator tayo. Alright? I think that's a great idea. So, Lian de Guzman has got the right idea. I still think she's a piece of shit, pero this is actually a smart move, alright? And, ayun nga, dahil she has chosen the path of social media content creation, she made a video, alright? So, dinilit na niya yung mga statements niya, yung dalawang statements niya about sa issue dito sa TikTok account niya, as you can see, no? Nawala, no? Tinanggal niya yung and ginawan natin ang reaction yun, as you can see from the legendary series, mga kaunggoy, no? The legendary series. Nagawa natin ang reaction yun. So, kung hindi nyo napanood yung mga reactions niya, panoorin nyo na lang sa channel ko, mga kaunggoy. We made a reaction to it, alright? So, ito yung latest, pinakabagong video niya, mga kaunggoy. Okay, so, as you can see, ano pangalan? New Year, New Beginnings. Dinownload ko yung video kasi ewan ko, like, hindi ko ma-view sa mismong TikTok app. I don't know what's that about, pero eto po yun. Ito po yung video niya, mga kaunggoy. Dinownload ko na lang kasi, ayun. Actually, patay na yung issue nito ni Lian de Guzman and binuhay lang ulit ni Lian de Guzman for posting this video, alright? And a bunch of other people react to this video, alright? So, kung ako kay Vince, nakalimutan ko pangalan, Vince, kay paring Vince, kung ako sa kanya, maging content creator na rin siya. Kikita siya dito, alright? Sakyan na niya yung issue niya. Okay, mga kaunggoy? So, eto na. Masyado na akong nag-yap dito. Panoorin natin to, alright?
Hello everyone! Ako po si Lian de Guzman. And 2026 na. Ibig sabihin, a new year for new beginning.
Oh, wow! New year for new beginnings! Oh, shit! I think that's the right mindset, right? Like, as much of a piece of shit she is, I think that's the correct mindset, right? Like, new year, new beginnings, yun nga, move on. Move on na tayo. Lahat ng mga bullshit na nangyari noong 2025, kalimutan na natin yon. Focus na tayo sa 2026, sa kanya-kanyang grind. Kung ano man yung mga negatives na nangyari noong 2025, just leave it sa 2025, no? Iwan nyo na lang yun sa 2025 kasi new year, new beginning na nga, no? So, ayun lang naman.
At lang nangyari last year is lahat yun is nakaraan ko na.
Ay, wow.
Pero yung natutunan ko is pang lifetime ko yung maaalala.
Yeah, wag ka nang mag-cheat. Sabi niya, yung lahat ng mga natutunan niya is lifetime niyang pag-aaralan or what? Lifetime na niyang ikikip yan. Pero here's the advice, no? Huwag ka na mag-cheat, and most importantly, stay single. Here's the thing, you do not deserve to be in a relationship. You do not deserve to be, like, mahalin ng isang lalaki. You do not deserve that shit. Kaya sa lahat ng mga simps dyan na sumisimp kay Lian de Guzman, supportahan nyo siya siguro, sige, dahil maganda siya. Pero, to be in a relationship with her, if you were to ask me, alright, if you were to ask my advice, I suggest you stay away from this bitch. Basta ito, stay away from this bitch, alright? Stay away from her as much as possible, alright? Yes, pwede kayong maging buddy-buddy, maging friend-friend, no, sa kanya, pero iwasan nyo siya as much as possible when it comes to a romantic relationship. Kung usapang jowa, relationship, no, she's not wife material, she is not girlfriend material. Believe me, stress lang ang mabibigay niya sa inyo, right? Hindi siya pang relationship material, right? I think she's one of those girls, alam niyo yung mga modern women ngayon na sabi nila na gusto daw nila ng isang relationship kuno, pero at the end of the day, wala silang pake doon. They want something else, right? Like, magulo ang utak ng modern women ngayon, and iwasan nyo siya, is all I'm saying, alright? Like, kung usapang relationship, iwasan nyo siya.
So, last year, 2025, nagkaroon ako ng issue worldwide.
Worldwide!
Naapektuhan.
Worldwide! Worldwide! Wow! So, umabot sa ibang bansa. Oh my God. Ano yung sinabi niya? Like, may sinabi siya after that eh.
And sobrang naapektuhan ako nun.
Ay, wow! Naapektuhan siya! Wow! Wow! Well, here's the thing. Ika nga ni Joker eh, no? Sabi nga ni Joker, get what you fucking deserve! Yan, tama, no? You get what you fucking deserve, right? Naapektuhan ka. Naapektuhan ka pala?
Hindi lang sa health ko, pati na rin sa skin ko.
Ay, wow.
So, sobrang na-stress ako that time. And kapag nasa-stress
Pero here's the fucking thing, you deserve that stress.
ako, kasama yung skin ko, nagmumukhang dry yung balat ko.
Okay.
And nagmumukha akong pagod all the time.
Okay.
Buti na lang, I have this brightening moisturizer. It really helped my skin to
Wow! Grabe. Oh, that was props to her. That was actually a smooth transition sa product na, ano yan, product ba yan na inaano niya, na pinopromote niya? I have a feeling na may mga sponsors na lumapit sa kanya at i-promote yung mga products nila, kasi not sure if this is a UGC, user-generated content, na merong product na binibigay sa kanila tapos gagawa nila ng video. Anyway, kahit anong video, basta ma-promote lang yung product and yung features ng product, no? Sa platform mo, whether it be TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook. I'm not particularly sure kung merong UGC sa YouTube, pero ang alam ko may affiliate sa YouTube eh, no? So, yung Shopee affiliate. So, maybe meron siguro, no? Pero ayun nga mga kaunggoy, ayan siya. So, nagpo-promote siya ngayon ng products. ang solid na props to her, medyo genius yung ano niya. So, let me check this entire video. May mga pinag-usapan pa ba siya na hindi ko pa panoorin yung buong video kasi ang pagkakaalam ko, like, this entire video is a UGC, no? Like, pinopromote yung product, alright? Sa lahat ng mga nag-UGC dyan, like, ayun, pwede nyo gawa ng mga segue sa kahit ano man, or sa ano, kanya-kanyang creative shit yan.
is maging better version of myself.
Okay.
More kinder and
Okay, yun yung New Year's resolution niya. Okay, so pinag-uusapan na niya yung New Year's resolution. Tuloy natin.
glowing.
Okay.
So, sa parating
Yun
na
lang pala.
Valentine's Day, i-date ko muna yung sarili.
Yeah!
So, focus
So, coming Valentine's Day, like, stay single. And I am begging, I am pleading sa lahat ng mga kalalakihan dyan, tayong mga lalaki, I beg you, iwasan nyo siya. I'm doing this, I'm saying this because it's for your own good. Okay? You are saving yourself. I am saving you from her. Lahat ng mga lalaki dyan, iwasan nyo siya. Alright? You already know her issue. You already know how, yung magaling daw siya magtago. Kaya niya itago yun. Hindi niya sasabihin kay Vince. Hindi niya sasabihin sa boyfriend niya. Gano'n, bla 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 bla. Okay? May boyfriend siya. Hinayaan niya ng may manligaw sa kanya. So, isipin niyo yun. Isipin niyo yun, ha? May boyfriend siya. Pero pinayagan niya na ligawan siya ng isang lalaki. Sa tingin niyo ba tama yun? So here's the thing. Para hindi na maulit yon, lahat ng mga lalaki, pinapakiusapan ko, layuan nyo siya. Good luck!
Focus muna tayo sa sarili ko this year.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Yeah, ayun. Focus ka muna sa sarili mo and hopefully wala ka nang maloko pa. Ayan, she's officially entered the realm of content creators chuchunes, mga kaunggoy. So, ayan na yan. Yung prediction ni Nico David, nagkatotoo, naging content creator na siya. Binonetize na niya yung sarili niyang issue. Actually, that's pretty smart, right? Pag meron kayong issue and nag-blow up yung issue nyo, perahan nyo. That's the best way that you can do. Perahan nyo. Gawan nyo ng content, gawan nyo ng basta kapag kakitaan nyo sarili nyong issue. Alright? Isn't that great? Isn't that good, mga kaunggoy? Ayun lang naman. Alright? And like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click this video, subscribe to this channel, or else magiging jowa mo si Lian de Guzman. You're cooked! Lagot ka! Ayun, mga kaunggoy. Thanks for watching, alright, and that's the bottom line because Manong Jara said so. Alright, I gotta head out.